ikhuzele kuku esuthi ikhwele phezu kwethu ikhuzele kuku
Give a brief historical background. Now let me go further and say my experiences which I had actually gone into with NPRC. I have no regrets again being a minister. To say I had a chance to get a greater insight into the thinking of ZANU. When we negotiated, I was one of the negotiators in 1988, the MDC. It helped me understand my comrades in the MDC. How much of treacherous individuals they were. And I want to underscore that word, treacherous. Baba, when they were treacherous right from Morgan up to the lowest in rank. If they were not treacherous, they would make sure at every turn when they have a chance to speak about, they would talk about these horrendous tales of Kukuraundi. But Morgan would choose to talk about Kukuraundi in Ngapokachangan. And they've incepted a culture of saying the younger Shona people now should never accept being ruled by a developed person. So it says ZANU Njiyana can never be led by a developed person. MDC Njiyana can never be led by a developed person. That helped me understand the intentions of Abantu. Tribal division, they really want to create a Shona state that excludes everyone else except if you are assimilated. So we must choose, do we want to be assimilated? Si accept to the point they have said it so repeatedly, so unga raise these issues, I want to get what konuzagwenza and siba luchwana. Unga babuzu ukuthi how? Katuma kelo ngabe abantwana abangu 15 ezala njengekundwane mina ngizala umntwana nami uyi1 ngoba vele inkelo zami kazisebenzi. So kumele abantu abakhona amakhana bazelala emzini nobadle emzini wami. This is what is happening. Enguzwisayo ngegugula